welcome the three sister modifiers. Here are Miss Modifier, Place Modifier, and last but not the least is Family Modifier. Let's give them a round of applause. By the way, how's your day, beautiful ladies? We're fine. How about you? We're fine. And now let's go on with our interview. Let me interview first Miss Place Modifier. Good morning, Miss Place Modifier. Can you explain me who you are?
Darko anas. Seryoso. Kanor. Saan ka?
Now, I thought I was going to place modifier. So now let's go on with family modifier. So can you introduce yourself? Yes. Can you give me, can you provide some examples of family modifiers?
Magsightseeing ta. Okay. Sightseeing ko na punuan. Ayo, iso. Hindi man. Iya, pang ipatur maya. Nah.
For example, exercising often gives me energy. Things require it. Changing it. Often, exercising gives me energy. Another, it gives me energy to exercise often. So the often there is an addition. It would be days before, then the course, and then the day.
Ala.